Have you ever come across an important piece of text that you didn't have time to read? Or maybe you just prefer listening to text instead of reading it? Well, fret no more. Our text-to-audio MP3 converter is here to help. Our converter is user-friendly and easy to use. Simply copy and paste the text you want to convert into the designated field. With our converter, you can customize the audio output to your preference. Choose between different voices, accents, and even speech rates. And just like that, your text has been transformed into an audio MP3 file for you to listen to anytime, anywhere. Try our text-to-audio MP3 converter now and enjoy the convenience of listening to essential texts while on the go. Click the link on the description below or on my bio to place your order today.